The attempts of the Islamic fringe elements to infuse communalism into the Malayalam film has entered the deadly second stage. The master brains behind this heinous plan is a group of Muslim youngsters who have strong affiliation with hardcore orthodox Islamic groups like Jamaat-e-Islami. It was only a few years ago that Muslim youth entered the Malayalam film industry as per the set agenda. Till recently, films were considered to be haram or something that shouldn't be enjoyed by many of the Islamic factions. Once they got a foothold, the whole film scenario changed for the bad. Not naturally, but deliberately, Islamic plots were pushed into the films. Forget about religion, but till then, most of the Malayalam films had Hindu background. Of course, a few had Christian as well as Muslim background. But the deliberate attempt to connect Islamism to the silver screen was to make a footprint in the history of films, it is being pointed out. Films, and especially the popular ones, remain in human brains. The plot, characters, background, everything may influence the society. So, films with Islamic background should be there, the fanatics believe. They place their representatives in the film industry both as actors and the other crew. Once their boys mastered the craft of making films, the hidden plan started surfacing. Now, the covert attempt is to split the Keralites into two in the name of religion by producing a film on the unforgettable and unforgivable Mopla rebellion of 1921. The filmmakers want to rub off the history of Muslims, targeting Hindus and butchering them in large numbers. Instead, they want to highlight 1921 riots as part of the freedom struggle led by great men like Mahatma Gandhi. The initial work in this direction had been done by the fathers and forefathers of the present day filmmakers. It's not a surprise that the leftists, who even breathed for votes only, supported this move. A group of Islamic thinkers and pro-left men of thought have joined hands with the young filmmakers backed by fanatic Islamic clergy. Don't know whether there gets warmed a film jihad in the oven following love jihad and so many other jihads. Kerala is a green pasture for all sorts of jihad and Islamic terrorism. The one who has been trapped by the Islamic youth front in the Malayalam film industry is the versatile new-gen hero Prithviraj Sukumaran. The crew of Varian Kundan, the film being planned, would have made the actor believe that Mopla riots, actually a Hindu genocide, is a glorious chapter in India's freedom struggle. But note that these days both the mainstream media and social media are packed with enough evidences to show that 1921 riots was a unilateral act of butchering innocent unarmed Hindus. They were attacked brutally by chasing, stabbing, beating, kicking and whatnot. Many were killed and heaps of dead bodies were dumped in open wells. Temples were destroyed, women were raped, children, even boys were molested. Men of the age, including Dr. Ambedkar, who is a hero for the Islamic fanatics now, had explained that Mopla riots carried religion. But the grandsons of the then murderers want to re-establish their lost mastery. 1921 is not just a theme that suits a film for them. They want to generate communal hatred and conflict and thus destabilize the society. They are happy with the tearful eyes of the members of the fellow community. For this, they are attempting now to deliberately reopen the sorrowful past of the Hindus all over the world. More than this, the wicked brains behind the movie have got a nefarious plan to destroy the communal harmony prevailing in the state of Kerala. It is the responsibility of the Malayalam film industry to disapprove of such anti-national forces. It is a part to be played by the Malayalis, irrespective of religion and place they live, to discard such a film if in any case it is being pushed to the public. For similar reports, please subscribe the channel. Also, click the bell button to get notifications always.